Hello. Yesterday I posted this code to make a window with the Azure theme in tkinter and with two option menus and two labels, as you can see here. And to do this, I used a class called window, and into this class called window, we created the root. We give it the name of the window, and then the height, the width and the height, and then we give the geometry with these coordinates up here, and so that the window is actually this size, and you see it appears in the middle of the screen thanks to the x and y coordinate that takes the screen and divide it for 2. We can also round it like this, so that it will be always in the center of the screen, and the coordinates of the screen at the center of the screen have been taken here, going to self.root self screen width divided by 2, and self screen width is taken, making self root dot win for screen width. That will give the information about the screen width. Let me print this one to see where it is. You see, in my computer at the screen width it will be 3034.40, and but it will change depending on the screen, and so it will always be put in the middle. So it's taking the screen width minus the self window width divided by 2, because if you just take the screen width and divide it by 2, let's see what happens. Let's close this window. It happens that it's not precisely in the middle, as you can see. Let me do it again. You see, now it's here. You see, it's a little bit on the right. If I delete this comment here and go back, you see now it's precisely in the middle, because it's taken the half of the screen, that is this one, but as the coordinate will start from here, the window will be positioned in here. Instead it has to go a little bit on the left, and precisely of the half sides of the window. So the window width is this one, 800. So it will subtract 400, and so the coordinate of the top left corner of the window will make the window appear precisely in the middle of the screen. So this is all this code here. So let's go further. We're gonna choose a style that is TK style for the window, so that is the widgets are different from the usual tkinter widgets, so they are more modern. And also we configure this style with the button background red. We don't have button for the moment, so this we could hide this and nothing will change. And then we have style map button active ground. We don't have button for the moment, so we don't need that. We're gonna comment that, and then we're gonna import the TCL file to make the window dark. And so we will do self.root.tk code source azure dark.tcl. You will see that we have a folder here that is called Azure Dark. Azure Dark, this one, and into Azure Dark there is Azure Dark TCL, there is this one. Into this file that we can open, there is this TCL kind of configuration here to give out the color and the behavior of the widget, things like that. If we do not use if we do not call this source, see what happens. We get a white version of the GTK style, and so if we use instead the Azure Dark theme, you see that we get a different style of the window with a dark theme. So then we have create option list to create the options menu and create a label for the label. So to create a window, we first do call the window class and memorize it into the W name of this object. And here is the empty window. Then if we want to create a option menu, we want to do w.createOptionList. So we create this method of the instance of the window called W. We will give the X and Y position of the option menu, and in this list there are the items of the option menu. So here is value 1, value 2, and this will appear here as the default value. If we choose another of this one, we'll substitute the default value. If we want to create another option menu, we create another option list of the menu, position it in a different place, you can see it, and give some different values here. The difference is only in the first item, I call option menu 2, so let's see it. You see option 1 and option menu 2, the other items are the same. You can choose different values, of course, into this option menu. And then we have we can also create a label that is created as always TTK. We give it to the subroot, it belongs to the subroot, and we give a text to appear, and this text will be displayed precisely in the place X and Y that will be here in the arguments as a parameters of the method create label. So we see first label is placed here at 1050, and we create also another one, second label at 100 of distance from the top left corner, so it will be placed under the first one. And so that's all. You will find this one into my repository. Now I'm gonna update it so you can find this. This is example option list.py, and this is my repository. It's github.com/formazione/azure-tk-theme, and you will find it into the info of this video. So thank you for watching this video, and see you soon. Bye.